Here's the thing most people get wrong. They think big money comes from big moves. But real wealth comes from small moves done every single day. The habits, the consistency, the discipline that no one sees. Wealthy people know where their money sleeps at night. Most people spend unconsciously. They can't tell you where their last $500 went. To rich, they can tell you what each dollar is doing, earning, growing, or waiting for orders. When you track, you create awareness, and awareness changes behavior. Start today. One notebook, one app, whatever it takes. Because you can't grow what you don't measure. Before rent, before Netflix, before the weekend, pay you first. Here's the secret most overlook. The wealthy invest their time in things that pay them later. That could be learning a new skill, building a network, or studying how money works. Every minute you spend learning compounds just like interest. And just like money, time invested wisely multiplies your future options. Remember, broke people waste time to save money. Rich people invest money to save time. Consistency beats intensity. The wealthy don't rely on willpower. They rely on systems. Automatic transfers, calendar reminders, subscription blockers. They build guardrails that protect them from emotional spending. Very system you automate buys you freedom. Freedom from stress, from forgetting, from slipping back into chaos. Are you catching this? Most people wait for motivation. But you're learning systems. That's the difference between being inspired and being free. Stick with me. Next, we'll uncover the mindset of investors and the money traps that destroy progress. Here's the next shift, the one that turns ordinary earners into investors. You have to start thinking like an owner, not a consumer. Owners ask, how can this make me money? Consumers ask, can I afford this right now? The investor mindset sees every purchase as either an asset or a liability. If it puts money into your pocket, it's an asset. If it takes money out, it's a liability. That's how the rich win at the game of money. They collect assets like trophies, they avoid liabilities like traps. Real assets are quiet, they don't flash, they don't brag. They work while you sleep. Stocks, real estate, online products, dividend funds. Meanwhile, liabilities scream for attention. The new car, the fifth subscription, the deal you didn't need. The truth, most people go broke buying things to impress people who aren't watching. Investors build invisible empires. Every dollar you lose from ignorance teaches you faster than any class. But the smart investor studies before they play. Read books, watch mentors, simulate trades. The more you understand, the less you fear. And the less you fear, the more opportunities you'll see. Are you still here? Good. Because this next part can change everything. I'm about to show you the rule that separates people who stay average from those who build unstoppable wealth. So if you're locked in, hit subscribe right now. Because what's coming next is the mindset that builds freedom, even on an average income. Investors don't chase 10 things. They pick one lane and master it, one asset class, one business, one advantage. Focus creates depth, depth creates profit. The amateur spreads out, the investor doubles down. Remember this line, the man who chases two rabbits catches none. And that's it, the truth about money habits they'll never teach you. If today's video sparks something in you, don't just scroll away. Take one small step right now that your future self will thank you for. Make sure you subscribe, share, and like this video. Because next week, we're dropping something even deeper. We're talking about how to build unstoppable income streams. The kind that keep paying you long after the work is done. Because making money is one thing. Keeping it and multiplying it, that's where freedom lives. So turn on that notification bell, stay focused, stay consistent. And I'll see you in the next one.